Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be unboxing the Sephora Holiday Vibes Advent Calendar. I've heard a lot about this Advent Calendar in the past and not necessarily in the best way, so I kind of wanted to see what it was all about for myself. I bought this a while back and I don't remember if there was any sort of theme to it or anything like that, and I also did not look at what was included in the box, and it says it on the back down here, but like I haven't looked at it because I just kind of want to be surprised. I don't remember exactly how much I paid for this either, so I will put how much I paid for it kind of right here for you guys to see because I'll have to go back and look. But yeah, if you're interested to go through this advent calendar with me, then keep watching. Okay, so it says that there are 24 surprises in here, so let's just go ahead and get this open. Here it is. It's really cute. It's all these little tiny boxes in here, and I love the colors of it. The like hot pink and orange and green, and then the black and white stripes reminds me of actually what we did for our wedding colors, so that's fun. So yeah, basically it's just kind of all over the place here. I'll show you a close-up. I guess we're just going to set this here and go through it. So hopefully none of these fall out because this seems kind of unstable. Okay, so the first thing, oh, interesting. So it actually says what is on every single box. I don't know if past calendars have done this. So box number 1 tells me that it's a rouge. So curious if that's like a lip gloss. Oh, okay, so it's a nail polish. It's a bright red nail polish. That's actually kind of cute, but I don't use nail polish. I don't use regular nail polish. I usually get my nails done with like dip powder, so I probably will not be using this, but it's just like a really pretty bright red holiday red. So, okay, interesting. Box number 2. Okay, so, oh, interesting. This is the Sephora Mask Stick Bamboo Mask Stick Mattifying. 15 bamboo stick uses. I don't really know what that is. What does that mean? What does this do? This is actually like a mask. I don't know. We'll have to test that out. I know in the past, some of these videos that I've seen, people like open up these little boxes and they have like one hair tie or kind of like silly things like that. Okay, so this is box number 3. And inside is a little hair beret. So I think I spoke too soon about the single hair ties because this is kind of the same vibe. A pink sparkly hair clip. Box number 4. I'll tell you what, these boxes are not easy to like figure out how to open. Okay. So inside of box number 4, we have a fizzing star. So I'm guessing this is kind of like a bath fizzy. It smells really good, but this is really tiny, so I don't really know how much fizzing this is going to do in a bath, but it's cute, it smells good. So here we have box number 5, and inside box number 5, this is a triple action cleansing water. I guess it's kind of like a facial cleanser. Okay, so here is box number 6. Okay, box number 6 is a singular charcoal nose strip. So that's interesting. I actually don't use these because I heard they're very damaging to your skin. I don't know how true that is, but it's typically not something that I use, but we have one if we ever want to use it. All right, box number 7 is this little guy. And it is a little glitter shadow. It's called Colorful. I'm guessing this is like a little eyeshadow. So that's cute. I'll definitely use that. I like the color of it. It's kind of like a pinky rose gold. So I'll definitely use that. All right, box number 8. All right, interesting. So this is another bath fizzy. So this one kind of smells like baby powder. The other one smelled better. But again, too small for an actual bathtub. So I guess I could probably put all of the bath fizzies that I get from this box into one bath. Box number 9 is a little bit bigger. So curious to see what's in box number 9. Single hair scrunchie, but I'm really happy that it's a neutral color and it also would match my hair just fine. So that's a plus, as opposed to it being like hot pink or something. Kind of like the beret. I probably will never wear that because it's like a pinky, sparkly hair clip. This also is really soft. It's kind of like velvety. So I'm not mad about this. I actually like this. Box number 10. Okay. So box number 10, we have a little black crayon. So I'm guessing just like an eyeliner. Yep, just a eyeliner pencil. I'll probably use that. I typically use black eyeliner anyways. Usually I use like a liquid felt tip eyeliner pen or like Glamnetics magnetic eyeliner. I don't know. I'll probably use this eventually though. Now we have box number 11. This is a bigger box, so I'm curious to see what is in here. Okay, nice. This is a face mask. This is a normal size coconut face mask. So this is nice. I'll use this for sure. Box number 12. Okay, this is... this is probably the most useless thing that I've opened so far. I think it's a magnet, like for your fridge. I don't know. At first I thought it was a button, but there's no pin on the back. So I guess it's just magnetic. I don't know. Box number 13. Okay, this is actually nice too. So this is Sephora's Coconut Water Cleansing Wipes. This is nice. There's 10 wipes in here. So this is definitely going to be something that I either keep in like my purse or my travel bag. All right, so box number 14 is this little rectangular shaped box. Okay, so this is, I guess this is like a daily moisturizer, all day hydrator, hydrate and glow. Okay, I'll try that out. Box number 15 is also a little rectangular shaped box. Some of these are like, this is cute, I'll use this. And then some of these are like, interesting choice. This is definitely not as bad as the fridge magnet, but it's just a teensy tiny little nail file. Box number 16. Okay, so again, we have a crayon pencil. This is just a bright red. That would be interesting if we got this and we didn't get any red lip gloss or lipstick in here, so I kind of hope we do, just so they kind of go hand in hand. There really hasn't been that many makeup products, so hopefully there's more in here. All right, so box 17. Okay, so box 17 has this little exfoliating scrub. I travel a lot, so this would actually be nice to throw in my travel bag and take with me. All right, so box number 18. This is pretty small little box. Okay, no, this is just another nail polish. I can't even tell what the name of this polish is. It doesn't really say, unless I'm just completely missing it. It's pretty, it's a cute, like dusty pink. Yeah, it's called Rose Bouquet. I don't know. I won't use these, so that's the only problem. I might be giving these to somebody else. Okay, moving on to box number 19. number 19 is a Pomegranate Eye Mask from Sephora. So that's cute. I'll use this. Box number 20. Oh my god. Okay, well, I mean, why would they send nail polish without a top coat, right? So this is just a clear Sephora brand top coat. We only have 4 more boxes to open here. Box 21. You can't even hear anything because it feels like it's empty. Okay. So it's another hair beret. At least it's prettier, I will say that. I like this one better than the pink sparkly one. I just probably wouldn't ever use this for anything unless I was dressing up for like a theme party or something that maybe I could use this for. I don't know. This one, I just don't usually use things like this, but at least this one's more neutral. I don't know. I don't really like the duplicates that are in here. Like, 1 hair clip would have been fine. 1 nail polish would have been fine. Instead, I have 3 nail polishes that I won't be using and 2 hair berets that I also probably will never use. Box number 22 is teensy tiny. So box number 22 also has a little eyeshadow in it. It is a matte color. Oh, this is called My Dear Nude. So the other one I read wrong. The other one was called, oh, Girl Talk. All right, so these are both the ones that I have gotten. So we have My Dear Nude and then Girl Talk. So I like both of these. Both of these are good colors that I will definitely be using. I like glitter eyeshadow. I typically use glitter eyeshadow on a daily basis. Box number 23. We only have a couple of boxes left and I'm still hoping for like a mascara or a blush or something. And also I would really like to get a red lipstick. Okay, all right, so I'm so confused now. Okay, so what box was that? All right, box number 23 has a little like pop socket for your phone in it, and now I'm wondering if these 2 things go together or if they're both for your phone. No, okay, so this looks like it has like a peel off sticky on the back that you stick on your phone, and then I still don't really know what this is. I don't know if this is magnetic or not still. We'll have to find out. Okay, this is the last box, box number 24. Okay, so it is a lip product, so that's nice. However, it is not the same color. This is the Sephora Cream Lip Stain. And it is a really pretty, like, dusty rose pinky kind of color again. I really cannot tell what this is called because the sticker's all kind of messed up. It looks like it's color 13. I don't know. But it's a really pretty color, but I don't really understand why they would send me a random red lip pencil without like a matching lip color, but okay. Okay, so that is the 2021 Sephora Holiday Vibes Advent Calendar. Pretty much so I would use everything here except the nail polishes, the 2 microscopic bath bombs, the 2 hair berets, and then this, whatever this is, fridge magnet or something, I don't know. The rest of it I definitely would probably use, or at least try to remind myself to use. I will most definitely be using all of these little travel size products that Sephora included. The Triple Action Cleansing Water, the All Day Hydrator, the Bright Skin Exfoliating Scrub, and this Coconut Water Cleansing Wipes Pack. I travel a lot. These are gonna be great to throw in my travel bag and just have ready to go. So this was nice. I'll use these. Definitely use my little hair scrunchie here. I like this a lot. I'll definitely be using the masks. Maybe not so much the nose strip, but maybe I'll put it on my husband. I'll use the nail file, whatever, it's a nail file. I like the lip color. I'll use these eyeshadows. And then I'll probably give this a go and see how it is. It looks like it's just like a typical mask that you rub on your face and leave on for a few minutes and then rinse off. So I'll see how this works for me. But yeah, that is it. Definitely not terrible. I know in the past people have, like I said, unboxed like a single hair tie and things like that. So at least this was better. At least like the most irrelevant thing I got was a magnet. I need to figure out if that's actually a magnet. Hold on. Please hold. We need to fix this mystery. It's a mirror. What? It's a pocket mirror? Are you kidding me? This is like trying to, oh no. I don't know about this. Okay, so I guess this is a mirror. So let me see if you can see yourself. I mean, it's not the worst mirror in the world, but it's very, very tiny. And I don't know where I would ever be in the world that I would absolutely need a mirror, that I would be happy to have this teensy tiny mirror, you know what I mean? Like, I'm gonna either be in my car that has a mirror, or somewhere like that has a bathroom that I can go and use a mirror, or worst case scenario, I'll usually just like check selfie mode on my phone. So this was probably the most useless thing in this advent calendar, in case you were wondering. It's not a fridge magnet. Okay guys, so that was it. That was the 2021 Sephora advent box. I guess I paid $36 for this because I just went back and checked. So do I think this was worth $36? Probably not. Yeah, probably not. I mean, it's cute, it was fun. I really like the actual calendar itself. I'll probably like keep this out for decoration or something, just because I really like the colors. But yeah, I mean, most of this stuff is like tiny travel size items that you can get for free a lot of the time anyway. Half of this stuff I probably will never use. So I don't know. I mean, 36 bucks. Do with it what you will. Usually with things like this, it's kind of hit or miss anyways, and you're getting it just for the fun of it. So, all right guys, so that was the 2021 Sephora Holiday Vibes Advent Calendar. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like this video, follow along, subscribe to my channel, turn your notifications on. I would really appreciate it. I hope wherever you are in the world, you go out and live your best life and you have a happy and safe holiday season. Thanks guys, bye.